Hey guys, welcome back. As y'all can see, I got some BX-25 mags here. I got some VZ58 there, some AR-15 ones over here. But here's the deal. I had some spare ammo that I didn't want to put in a ammo can, so I decided to load up some mags. And I ended up loading this one up, as you can see, pretty full. And then this one was already at max capacity. But if you pay attention, the front here, it's just flat. In other words, the spring messed up in a few months. And this one is pretty much screwed. See, the next round stayed down the bottom. And we tried pushing it, and it just gets stuck right here on that little ramp piece right there. And it's still acting up, so I'm gonna have to put new springs on here. As you can see, it's never gonna feed properly. So I guess you really can't keep these loaded for more than a few months, or you're gonna start having issues. All right, so I guess I went from a 25 round working mag to about a 20 round. So in a few minutes, well, I'm too lazy to load it back up, but I think that the springs did get damaged. And it seems to be working fine right here. Was a few rounds. I'll go ahead and mark it, and I'll just make sure to use 15 to 20 rounds. That way I don't have headaches at the shooting range. But it's an original Ruger BX-25. Got these a while back from Cheaper Than Dirt, I believe. Or who knows what website. But anyways, just a little heads up, if you have some of these in your safe and you had them, full for a few months, I mean, you might have some issues. And once again, all these seem to be pretty good. And all these seem to be pretty good. Well, had some of these for about 3-4 years loaded. The springs work pretty good, and the ones I use for my shooting. So alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video.